Hey there, I'm picking up the firewood we made yesterday, and just thought we'd take it's a good chance to look at how the hinge works. When we made that video of doing the black locust yesterday, of course this is the first cut, that's the second cut. That gives you an opening so the tree can turn on the hinge. And normally for most trees I would do a bore cut. With a bore cut, you take your saw, you start with the lower corner, get it in there, and I'll push through and leave a back strap. And then I can cut the back strap when I'm ready to turn the tree loose. In this case, the tree was back leaning, it extended about 20 feet to the right here. So we supported that with the tractor. The tractor was pushing on the stem of this tree. So there was no need to do a bore cut. I just cut in straight from the back. And I was shooting for an inch. I got a little over an inch thick on the hinge here, but that bent easily enough. It was plenty of wood to support the weight going that off to the right. If you severed that hinge, what it would do, it would have toppled back over the tractor. So when you do these, you got to make sure you're stopping in time. But anyway, so the tractor was supporting the backside. I made that cut to set the hinge thickness and got on the tractor and pushed it over. And then of course I had to take the saw and cut it loose because the hinge was still hanging on there. But anyway, cutting trees is a joy once you learn that system. It leaves very little to chance. And look at that, one day and you can see seasoning cracks in that piece of wood already. You see the seasoning crack there. Locust dry is real nice. It's a ring porous wood. You can see the growth rings. The early spring wood has large pores, and it dries quick. Those large pores let water escape out of that wood pretty quickly. And we'll split this 4 ways, or I might take a slab off each side and then split the other one in the middle. But a piece that size, to get it dry quick, I'll make 4 pieces out of that. When I go on up the tree, I'll split them in 2 when I get to the smaller diameters. But anyway, that's hinge is a little thicker than it needed to be, but it's just barely over an inch. It bent over just fine. Okay, I got to get back to picking up. Thank you for visiting.